We all just got hired to work at the Build-A-Bitch factory, so I want you to do your best handiwork and build a beautiful Barbie doll. Let's go. Down, hit. In, up, down, and hit. 3, 2, 1, fast.
Bob the Builder broke my heart. Told me I need fixing. Said that I'm just nuts and bolts. A lot of parts were missing. Perfect like a corset. Virgin and a vixen.
Last one.
That's the kind of girl he wants, but he forgot.
Pose.
This ain't Build-A-Bitch. You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are bright or blue.
Level 2 goes down.
Filled with flaws and attitudes. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you.
Arms come up, hammer. Now, up, middle, down. Around, up. Good.
Boys are always
Snake it low.
looking for the ball.
Let's go.
They don't look like Canada. Hardly have a heart.
How low are you getting on these hip swings?
So he can play Prince Charming. If that's the kind of girl he wants, then he forgot. This ain't
Pose.
Build-A-Bitch. You don't get to pick and choose.
No, you don't.
Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are brown or blue.
Level 2 goes down.
I'm filled with flaws and attitudes. So if
I want you to grab your hammer and let's get to work. Around, up. We're working overtime. Let's go again. Woo! Thanks for helping us dismantle the patriarchy. If you want to watch the official video to Build-A-Bitch, you can click right here, and you can click right here to join the Booty Army. We do 60-minute and 30-minute live streams every single week. It's the best way to experience the Fitness Marshall.